Marksman Vijay Kumar has won India a bronze medal in the 25mm rapid-fire pistol event at the Olympic Games in London on Friday. Vijay scored 5-4-4-3-4-4-4 en route to his total score of 585. Kumar became the second shooter to break the previous Olympic record of 583 during the second stage of qualification. Placed fourth in the list, Kumar, who had scored 293 in stage 1 of the qualification yesterday, shot a series of 98-97-97 in the second stage to take his total score to 585. He shot a sequence of 99-96-98 at the Royal Artillery Barracks. The Army man will be competing with 5 shooters for a medal. Pre-games medal favorite Ranjan Sodhi had yesterday failed to qualify for the double trap event.